ballin' on you niggas like the NBA. Swish, run a roast, nigga, not the NFL. Dion, Emmitt Smith, bitch, you want a couple pounds. Bustin' bricks down and we don't give a damn. No, I'm ballin' on you niggas like the NBA. Swish, run a roast, nigga, not the NFL. Dion, Emmitt Smith, bitch, you want a couple pounds. Bustin' bricks down and we don't give a damn. No, I grind on 1,000, I'm just high stuff. A big kid, nigga, I keep them toes back. Bustin' down them bricks and we don't give a damn. No, money coming in, we cut it like a jam. Fucking with the J's, rollin' with the gangsters. Ballin' on you niggas, call me the answer. Gone through the check, why the trap?
What up, y'all? So I'm right here following my homeboy Barterkingpetty. Just make sure y'all go subscribe to his channel too. Riding this truck trying to go see if these 26s will fit on that 2020 Ram Rebel he got. Yeah, so if it do, we're gonna holler back at you and see how that thing work out. Alright?
Money coming in, nigga, shit, I gotta stay up. Playing with the money, nigga, turn a nigga face up. Money's in the picture, nigga, shit, like a paycheck. J's at the door, beating hard, serve us. Money coming in, nigga, shit, I gotta stay up. Playing with the money, nigga, turn a nigga face up. Money's in the picture, nigga, shit, like a paycheck. J's at the door, beating hard, serve us. Somebody help me count this money. Somebody help me, it's a lot of money. Somebody
Purchase your tracks today.
Hey, look, but listen though. I'm here to just bring y'all some content and whatever I go do though, you know what I mean? I ain't trying to clickbait y'all because I ain't got time to waste nobody time. So if y'all click this video, this is what y'all gonna get, this is what y'all gonna see. Authentic shit, you know what I'm saying? I don't try to bring no negativity to this channel, so I ain't gonna do no clickbait or no negativity. I don't wanna do clickbait at all, cause my life real, you know what I'm saying? I know my supporters fuck with me, so appreciate that. Being that said, I need you to hit that subscribe button, that notification, thumbs up the video, cause this real shit. You know what I'm saying? Real as I can try to bring it to y'all though. You feel me? Real as I can try to bring it. But in the meantime, I got bad news for y'all though. I had to let go of the C10. Nigga came with that bag. I told you, man, I come with that bag. Go, I'll get another one. Cause I want too far left on it anyway. You know what I mean? I had a lot left, but not a lot. You know what I mean? Cause the C10s, they ain't nothing to build. They alright. But yeah, I'm looking for a Carlo right now. Look at this one. Action. But yeah, I'm looking for a Carlo to build right now. 86 SS. 86 XS Carlo. That C10, boy, came with that bag. I had to let it go. Well, I'm gonna just take some of that bag and put it towards that Carlo, you know what I mean? I just had to let y'all know that. Keep my fanatics up to date with shit, you know what I mean? My fanatics up to date. Yeah, but first we're gonna look at this Burt. 30s real quick. It's for sale too. Y'all ready to put in some work on the dunk. You know how this dunk game shit go. Unless you're ready to put in a real bag for something completed. You know what I'm saying? But this Burt right here, this shit gonna about to go funky though. I fuck with it. I would fuck with it. But I'm already looking for a Carlo. I don't want no Burt right now. That's next year. I do want a dunk, but that's next year. You feel me? This shit coming. Carlo and another C10 coming to a channel though. I know that. I know that. Check out the dunk. 74 Vert thing. Look at her. That's the owner. Son, ooh. Look at that grill. Love work. The locals off the wheel. Polish the wheels up, repaint them. She halfway done for y'all. Steering wheel. Thing you gotta do is redo the interior. Look like to me a good sand down to me. Sand that shit down. Let the top 100. Fix a little glass. Tell niggas to stop playing, man. They lucky I ain't got a bag like that. That shit would have been gone. It's coming though. Yeah. Round rebel shit. Back to back. Trucking. All this done. These off, put them on, put them back on. You back with you in a sec. Yeah. So, we got them on there. Hey, I'm just gonna say this. It's the first in my eyes. I ain't YouTube shit. The first in my eyes, 2020 Ram Rebel 1500 Hemi 5.7 on 26x14s. Just took them off there and put them on here. And oh my, it looks so lovely. It looks so good. My boy done did it on this one. Yeah.
Hey, you want to do the easy job. The silly council.
Now he took the factories off.
I'm messing with it. I got it, Joker. Now he want to do the easy part up.
And this shit looks so good.
You look better. Hey, yo, when you down with him? Right.
Ram Rebel 2020 on 26x14. They dirty. Oh well. (26x14). Off-road hardcore wheels too, huh?
only record the good.
You gonna put on Facebook?
I got a YouTube.
You need them cuffs on the front.
Huh?
You need to lift that front up. I wonder how much it's gonna.
I was on live showing them that I'm for real on the car.
What's the magic number?
I don't know.
I'm looking for one now too. I'm looking for one now too.
I took the can off the window. They had an old popcorn can. I took that off. I didn't get the